Hi there, welcome to the National Bowling Academy. I'm Erik Vermilyea, and for today's quick tip, I want to touch on why a pre-shot routine is important. Pre-shot routine is simply the method, the entire process of delivering the bowling ball. Whether it's third frame of the first game of practice session for you, whether it's 10th frame of game 3 of a league, or whether it's needing that first strike in the 10th to win a PBA title on TV, your pre-shot routine is going to be the same for all these shots. Having that pre-shot routine lets you have the same routine, the same process for every shot, regardless of the situation, and will help you perform your best, again, regardless of the situation. For me, it all starts with my towel. I do all of my pre-planning, all of my thought process before I even get up near the lanes. I figure out what I'm going to do with the ball, where I'm going to throw it, how I'm going to throw it. But then once I pick up this towel, then it's go mode. Then it's pre-shot routine and delivering the ball. I pick up my towel, I pick up the bowling ball, I use the towel to wipe the ball off, get the oil off the ball. I reach down, I wipe off the bottom of my shoe to make sure there's no sand, no gravel got collected on there, and I'll have a good slide. I step up on the approach, I find my spot, get set up, take one deep breath, let the breath out, and then go. And that's my pre-shot routine. As simple as possible for me, but it lets me have something I can repeat and do the same again, whether it's just practice, whether it's an important shot. Again, regardless of the situation, having just a basic pre-shot routine that you can fall back on and rely on will help you deliver the best outcome, again, regardless of the situation.